the municipality of Molino and the city of Alaminos. Officiating this match, our friends referee, Mr. Elio Ilanes, National Referee. And our second referee, Mr. Frederick Manpali, National Referee.
Good evening once again, volleyball fans. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
We have now reached the fifth and final match of today's men's division, and what a way to close another exciting day of volleyball action. Thank you to all our viewers joining us here at the venue and those watching through our live stream from different parts of Pangasinan and beyond. We are excited for another highly anticipated matchup featuring two teams that have been showing impressive performance throughout the tournament.
This final men's division matchup promises to be a thrilling battle. Bolinao looking to challenge one of the tournament's strongest teams, while Alaminos City aims to protect its undefeated record in front of their supporters. Expect nothing less than powerful attacks, incredible rallies, and competitive volleyball from both sides. Stay with us as the Governor's Cup action continues here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. Let the final game of the day begin. Sports Complex. Let the final game of the day begin.
Good evening, volleyball fans. Masanto sa Labiad Sikay namin, Pangasinenses. We are now heading to our last game here in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 in the men's division. For our last game, matutunghayan natin ang laro between Municipality of Bolinao having 2-1 standing versus Municipality of Alaminos having 3-0 standing. Dito natin makikita kung mapuputol na nga ba ng Team Bolinao ang winning streak ng Alaminos or still iingatan pa ng Team Alaminos ang kanilang 3-0 standing. Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our Game 5 and last game for tonight is starting right now. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Castolero. Cañedo. At yun na nga po.
Deadlock at 2. Good reception. Mendoza, sinet sa 4. To Kalikdan. Kalikdan is blocked.
Solid block for Team Bolinao. Serving jersey number 2. Kibada. Rariza. Mendoza.
Good reception. Sets it to Kaalim. But a point for Team Alaminos City.
Pinapaalala po namin yung mga fans students sa may gilid. Iwasan po namin pumasok. Okay lang tayo tumayo. Huwag na po kayo pumasok. Salamat.
Mendoza sets it to Gamueda. Another error for the captain. Mendoza sets to Gamueda. Cross-court attack works for jersey number 7.
Gamueda on the service zone. Rariza. Tocredo.
Delay there by Credo.
Miss hit there by jersey number 3, Castolero.
2-point lead here.
Still serving jersey number 3, Kaalim.
Too strong for that serve.
Gripo. Kaalim misreceives that one. Cañedo ginawa ng paraan. But that is outside the antenna. Seven all here at the first set. Bolinao versus Team Alaminos. Gripo. Cañedo, off-speed attack. Mendoza.
Too low for Quebada.
Rariza. Mendoza to Quebada. That is Doug. Rariza to Cañedo. Rariza still serving. Mendoza from the back. Credo to Cañedo. Gamueda to Castillero. Dog. Rariza. Still alive. Mendoza to Quibada. Still alive. Kalikdan, block. Good ball. Cañedo is blocked too. Rariza
Long
to
rally.
Kalikdan.
Wow! Timeout, Team Bolinao. Okay, habang nasa timeout tayo, partner, umpisahan natin dito sa kalusugan. Isa sa mga legacy programs ng ating mahal na gobernador. Mahalaga ang maging healthy para sa kanya sa bawat Pangasinense.
At alam nyo ba na ang Pangasinan ang kauna-unahang probinsya sa buong Pilipinas na nagpapatupad ng free hospitalization sa lahat ng 14 provincial government hospitals. Isang malaking tulong ito para sa ating mga kabaluyan.
Itutuloy po natin ang tungkol sa health. Maya-maya lamang po, pero balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. It is between Alaminos City versus Team Bolinao. Castolero, Mendoza, combination play. But another point for Team Alaminos City.
Serving 7. Castolero ginawa ng paraan. Kaalim to Kalikdan.
Check ball. Five-point lead. Still on the service zone. Rariza. Saved. Cambueda will send it over. Rariza sets it to Cañedo.
The crowd loves that point. Coming from jersey number 6. Rariza still serving. Free ball para sa Team Alaminos. Credo. Castolero!
Still outside. 7-point lead.
Rariza still serving.
Mendoza to Castolero. Finally stops the bleeding.
Mendoza. Rariza.
At tatawagin po ang team captain for both teams. Tatawagin po ang team captain for both teams. Medyo mahaba-haba ang discussion.
Charm Credo on the service zone. Mendoza to Castolero on the opposite side, but still won't work for jersey number 3.
Nagkakaroon ng attack error dito ang Team Bolinao. And Bolinao will use their final timeout. Okay, balik tayo dito sa health partner. Patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan ang WeConsulta Plus, isang one-stop government service na hatid mismo sa mga barangay.
Nagumpisa na rito sa Alaminos City ang WeConsulta partner at magpapatuloy pa ito sa July 27 sa Barangay Santa Maria at susunod na rin ang Barangay Amanjego, Barangay Bisocol, Barangay Kibuar at Barangay Alos.
Mamaya po, itutuloy natin yan. Pero for now, balik po tayo dito. Nasa first set pa rin tayo ng laro. Alaminos City versus Bolinao.
Charm Credo on the service zone. Mendoza to Castolero sa gitna. Rariza hinabol ang bola para kay Cañedo. Andun si Mendoza. Castolero.
Another unforced error here on the side of Team Bolinao.
Serving 9. Credo. Mendoza. Underhand that one to Vitra. But it is outside.
No check ball. "17 out, 5 in, retotal."
Credo. And that stops the bleeding for Team Bolinao. Castolero.
Kaalim. Rariza sets it to Calicdan, and Calicdan gets the point. Cañedo out, Rabanal in.
Rabanal. And that is an ace for Team Alaminos. 11-point lead for Team Alaminos partner. 21 serving 10.
Good play there for Mendoza and Quebada.
Quebada.
Rariza sets it to Kaalim, blocked. Good cover. Calicdan finds the line.
Wow, just wow partner. Out of system attack converts into a point. Calicdan serving.
Service error for jersey number 2, Kalikdan.
Retotal serving. Rariza to Kaalim.
Too wide for Kaalim. Double sub here. Castolero out, Bauzon in. Mendoza out, Carranza in.
Point lead for Team Alaminos. Gapasen. Bauzon. Quick side out for Team Bolinao.
Serving jersey number 7, team captain, Gamueda. Service error. Set point for Team Alaminos City. Set point for Team Alaminos City.
Serving jersey number 3.
Point for jersey number 8.
Serving jersey number 1.
Gripo on the service zone. Rariza. Turabanal.
And Alaminos City wins this first set, 25-15. Ituloy natin yung kanina partner tungkol sa GUI Consulta dito sa Alaminos City. Para sa mga karagdagang impormasyon, mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang Western Pangasinan District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay kanina. Pero teka lang partner, ano-ano nga ba ang kailangan dalhin ng ating mga kabalayan?
Ang mga kinakailangan po dalhin para sa mga 18 years old and above ay national ID at 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid government-issued ID with 3 specimen signatures. Para naman po sa mga 16 years old and 17 years old, kinakailangan kasama ang inyong magulang, national ID, 3 photocopy ng kahit anong valid government-issued ID with 3 specimen signatures at 2 photocopy of guardians any valid government-issued ID.
Kaya mga kabalayan, inaanyayahan ng lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong makapagpakonsulta at makapag-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan ilalapit sa inyong komunidad. Sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maulad na Pangasinan.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan ang galing! You are still watching us live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. The match between Team Bolinao and Team Alaminos. This is the last game of this into today's match. Rariza, Cañedo, first point. First point for Team Bolinao. Mendoza. Rariza to Cañedo off the block. Mendoza. Good ball. Mendoza to Castolero.
Back-to-back points for Team Bolinao.
Mendoza. Attack error there for jersey number 4. Mendoza. Cañedo.
Kalikdan. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Rariza to the middle and Credo gets the point.
One serving 3. Rariza. Mendoza to Kibada. Rariza to Kalikdan.
That is a check ball.
Rariza still serving. Mendoza.
Net violation called on Team Bolinao.
Rariza.
Service ace for jersey number 9. Change favor tayo dito. Mendoza. Sinet kay Castolero. And Castolero gets the point. Deadlock at 4.
Second deadlock here at set number 2. Rariza hinabol ang bola. Kalikdan. Andun si Castolero, but that attack is so powerful. Credo. Mendoza, Tomitra. That is outside, said by the first referee. Point for Team Alaminos. 6 serving 4.
Over-received.
Dalawang regalo ang kinuha doon ni Bembo. Credo.
Mitra gets the point.
Quibada. Bembo is blocked. Rariza. Bembo again. Gamueda. Good ball. Bembo ginawa ng paraan. Mendoza to Gamueda. Good point for Team Bolinao. Stop that's bleeding. Quibada still serving. Misreceive. Mendoza. Tomitra. Andun si Kaalim. Kalikdan. But that will sail out. We are tied at 7.
And tatawag po ng timeout ang Team Alaminos City. Bukod sa health partner, malaking bahagi rin ng programa ni Governor Guico ang sports development dahil tuloy-tuloy na ang mga palaro sa Pangasinan.
Pagkatapos nitong Intertown Volleyball Tournament, aabangan naman natin ang Season 2 ng Intertown Basketball Tournament at ang Pickleball Tournament na siguradong exciting din para sa ating mga kabaluyan.
Wow! Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan, ang galing. Quibada still serving. Good serve. Kaalim. Cañedo ginawa ng paraan. Mendoza. Mitra is blocked. Rariza. Back set to Kalikdan, but it is blocked. Eight serving 7. Quibada still serving. Good serve. Rariza. To Cañedo. Dog.
back set. Free ball for Alaminos City. And another point for Team Bolinao.
A lucky break for Team Bolinao.
Substitution po tayo dito sa Alaminos City. Kaalim out, Ranit in.
Quibada. Rariza.
And Cañedo is blocked.
Three-point lead for Team Bolinao. 10 serving 7. Rariza. To Kalikdan. Straight to the net.
Not over for Kalikdan. Another point for Team Bolinao.
Quibada.
Quick set. And Bembo gets the score.
Cañedo. Mendoza.
And Greece. Point for Gripo.
Cañedo.
Rabanal will replace Cañedo.
Quibada. Sorry, that is Gamueda.
Now serving jersey number 2, Calicdan. Good serve. Bemba gets the point.
Calicdan. Serving.
Service error for jersey number 2. Serving jersey number 17, Mitra. Rariza to Bembo, and Bembo is blocked. Great net defense here by Team Bolinao.
Mitra still serving. Ranit. Rariza to Bembo, blocked. Rariza to Ranit. Off-speed attack. To Castolero. That is blocked. Jersey number 1 serving, Bembo. Gamueda. Castolero. Four-point lead here for Team Bolinao. 15 serving 11.
Serving jersey number 1, Gripo. Rariza to the middle. Andun si Castolero. Sinet sa kanya. Swipes it off the blockers of Team Alaminos. Substitution.
Charm Credo. And Christian Credo is in. Ranit is on the service zone. Baba sa 3 ang Kalamangan.
And it's time for Team Bolinao to call for time. Dito naman tayo sa employment partner. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Magandang proyekto ito dahil para sa mga kababayan natin, mga kabalian natin na naghahanap ng kanilang trabaho. Balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro. 16-13 in favor of Team Bolinao. Push. And a miscommunication there by Charm Credo and the libero of Team Alaminos City.
Mendoza serving. (17-13). Credo joust. Enriquez to Rabanal.
Now serving jersey number 20, Christian Credo. Natawagin ng ating first referee ang team captain ng Bolinao.
Christian Credo serving. Gamueda. Andon si Ranit. Castolero.
Ranit will set it to Rabanal. Drop ball to Kalikdan, but it is outside.
Serving jersey number 3, Castolero. Credo.
Good save. Free ball for Team Bolinao. Mendoza backs it to Gamueda. Point for Team Alaminos City.
Charm Credo now on the service zone. Mitra. Mendoza para kay Gamueda. And that is a point for Team Bolinao.
Variation on the attacks of Gamueda.
Misreceive. Mitra.
No check ball
Attack
there.
error. Jersey number 7, team captain Rabanal. Mitra ginawa ng paraan. Christian Turanit. Block. We are now at 20-point mark. 20 serving 16.
It is really the net defense of Team Bolinao.
Solid defense from Team
Yes.
Bolinao.
Christian to Bembo. Too long. 5-point lead of Team Bolinao. Run it out, Kaalim in. Serving jersey number 7, Gamueda. Christian, back set to Kalikdan, blocked. Isiset para kay Kaalim. But point for Team Bulinaw. Six-point lead here for Team Bulinaw. Biggest lead for this match.
22 serving 16. Gamueda still serving.
Service error.
Kalikdan. Mitra. Andun si Kalikdan. Christian to Kaalim. Off speed attack. Mendoza to Mitra. Drop ball. Christian to Kaalim. Block!
Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan na ang blocks ng Team Bulinaw sa set na to. And Alaminos City will use their final timeout for this set. Tuloy natin, partner. Dito naman tayo sa employment. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Alam mo ba, partner, meron ding free training jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey ang Provincial Employment and Services Office. Para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon, gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Peso Capital Complex, Lingayen.
Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Mitra out, Kaangay in.
Kaangay. Rariza to Kaalim. And that
Too much muscle. And
lead.
set point for Team Bulinaw. Set point saved. Serving jersey number 1, Bembo. Kaangay will set it to Castellero. Dog. Sinet kay Kaalim. Blocked. Kaalim again. And a point for jersey number 3. Still serving. Bembo. Misreceived. Gamueda will send it over. Kalikdan. Rariza to the middle. Rariza to Kaalim. And another point for Kaalim. Hindi pa raw tapos. And Bulinaw will call 4 times. we're still watching the second set of the last match for today. Team Alaminos City versus Team Bolinao. Mendoza sets it to Castolero, dug by Bembo. Regalo for jersey number 1, and we are going to a third and deciding set. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil mag-third set na po sa laro between Team Alaminos City versus Team Bolinao. And change court po tayo.
And this is the final and third set for this game. Team Bolinao for the first serve. Jersey number 18, Mendoza.
Good reception. Mendoza sets it to Castolero. That is outside. First point, Team Alaminos City.
Bembo. Mendoza. Quebada is blocked.
And service error for Bembo. First point for Team Bolinao. Now on the service zone, Castolero. Rariza to charm and point for jersey number 4.
Three serving one. Jersey number 10. Ranit. Castolero misreceives that one. Gamueda. Rariza. Tinas para kay Kalikdan. Andun si Mendoza. But that attack couldn't contain.
Official score 4-1. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos City. Castolero. Sinet sa 4. To Cañedo. Mendoza one hand set. Early timeout for Team Bolinao. Partner, dito naman tayo sa agriculture, kabilang din sa mga legacy programs ng ating mahal na gobernador Ramon Monmon Vicky III ay ang patuloy na pagpapalakas ang sektor ng agrikultura.
Kinilala ang Pangasinan bilang outstanding kadiwa ng Pangulo LGU Implementer sa Gawad Saka Awards ng Department of Agriculture.
Patuloy rin ang kadiwa sa Kapitolyo, pamamahagi ng agricultural machinery, sprayers, mechanical transplanters at iba pang suporta sa ating mga magsasaka. Itutuloy po natin yan mamaya at balik po muna tayo dito sa ating third set.
Ranit. Misreceive. Mitra. Outside. 5-point lead here for Team Alaminos. 6 serving 1.
That will sail out for jersey number 10. Still a 4-point lead. Rariza. Sinet sa open. Mendoza back set to Gamueda. What a powerful attack. Serving jersey number 2, Quebada.
Rariza. Cañedo ginawa ng paraan. Mendoza, Tumitra. Off-speed attack works for Team Bolinao. Still serving jersey number 2, Quebada.
Service error for jersey number 2. Seven, serving 4.
Kalikdan.
Sharp serve. Mendoza, inangat para kay Mitra. Andun si Kalikdan. Rariza to Cañedo. Blocked. Cañedo again. Another point for Team Alaminos City.
Still serving. Kalikdan.
That is a service ace for jersey number 2.
Substitution. 3 now. Still on the service line. Kalikdan Jr.
Mendoza to Mitra. That is straight to the net. Another point for Team Alaminos.
Service error for Kalikdan. Still a 5-point lead here.
Substitution. 3 4 in power.
Serving Gamueda. Cañedo gets through the block.
Serving 5. 6-point lead for Team Alaminos. Mendoza to Gripo, but he is blocked.
I think kailangan ng magandang receive nitong Bolinaw. If gusto nilang makahabol. Mendoza back set to Mitra. Andun si Ranit. To Cañedo. And that is outside. Tatawagin ulit ang team captain ng Alaminos City.
Still serving jersey number 4. Charm Credo.
Mitra out, Retotal in. Short serve. Mendoza back set to Retotal, blocked. Mendoza 1-2 play, andun si Kalikdan. Mendoza to Retotal again, andun si Kalikdan. Charm from the 5, but straight to the net.
Gripo on the service zone.
Wrong server.
Cañedo.
Over ball. Ten-point lead here for Team Alaminos City. Blocked. Sinet kay Ranit. Eleven-point lead.
Cañedo. And that is a service ace for jersey number 6. Serving 6. Mendoza. Castolero. Good ball. Mendoza to Castolero again. Cañedo.
Castolero. And then si Rariza. Ranit. Mendoza to Castolero again. Kalikdan was there. Bembo gets the point. And Bolina will use their final timeout here sa ating third set. Tuloy natin yung tungkol dito sa agriculture partner. Alam mo ba na na-launch na rin ang Pangasinan Bangus Breeding and Hatchery sa Bolinao, ang kauna-unahang PRDP-supported provincial hatchery sa buong bansa.
At pagdating naman sa salt industry, nakapag-produce ng Pangasinan ng mahigit 8,100 metric tons ng asin noong 2025. Halos doble kumpara sa mga nakaraang taon.
At balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Official score 26. Substitution for Team Bolinao. Retotal out, Mitra in. Castolero blocked. Mendoza to Castolero again. And then si Kalikdan. Rariza to Ranit. That is outside. Another point for Team Alaminos City.
Cañedo still serving. Mendoza to Gripo, ginawa niyo ng paraan. Rariza to Ranit, off-speed attack. Castolero again, breaks the block.
And Castolero stops the bleeding. 22-7, 15-point lead here.
7 serving 22. Jersey number 1, Gripo on the serve. Rariza to Ranit, block. And That will be a point for Team Bolinao. Gripo.
Service error for jersey number 1.
2 points away, partner, for ending this match.
Mendoza to Castolero, andun yung libero. Hinabol ni Rabanal to Ranit. Gamueda will set it to Quebada. Christian to Calicdan. Joust. Gamueda. Mendoza. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. And point for Team Bolinao.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 18, Mendoza.
Good serve. Credo. Another point for Team Bolinao.
Baba sa 13 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. 10 serving 23.
Sharp serve. And service ace for jersey number 18.
Mendoza.
And a regalo for Quebada. And timeout for Team Alaminos City. Dito naman tayo sa ating social services. Hindi mawawala iyon sa mga projects ng ating mahal na gobernador.
Patuloy na pinagkakalob ng provincial government ang medical assistance at burial assistance para sa mga Pangasinense na nangangailangan.
Mga kabalian, iyan lamang ang ilan sa mga programang patuloy na isinusulong sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Governor Ramon Monmon V. Kiko III para sa mas maunlad, mas malusog at mas matatag na Pangasinan.
At sa bawat proyektong may papatupad at bawat serbisyong naihahatid sa ating kababayan, mas lalo nating nakikita ang direksyon ng isang mas maunlad, mas matatag at mas progresibong Pangasinan.
Balik tayo dito sa ating laro. Another point for Team Bolinao. Baba sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos City.
Credo to run it is blocked.
And he is blocked. Still serving Mendoza. Christian to Calicdan, but that is outside. Baba sa 8. Kalamangan ng Team Alaminos City. Ball out for Bolinao.
Serving for the match, jersey number 11, Gapasen. Mendoza. Gamueda.
That is outside. And Alaminos wins this match in 3 sets. Congratulations to Alaminos City and congratulations pa rin for Team Bolinao for giving Alaminos a great game.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Congratulations to the both teams. Alaminos and Bolinao.
Maya-maya lamang po ay malalaman natin kung sino ang ating player of the game.
And our player of the game, jersey number 6, Canelo Edison, with a total of 10 points, 7 attack, 3 service aces. Ang announcement po, may nakaiwan po ng cellphone yung sa kabilang bench. Ayun, pakikuha na lang po sa
It was a powerful way to end the 10 games here in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III. For our last game, nakita naman natin mula sa Team Alaminos ang kanilang effort sa loob ng court from the first set up until the second set, up until the third set rather, hindi man naging maganda ang pinakita nila during the second set. Kitang-kita natin na bumawi sila for the third set mula sa kanilang blockings, receive, and also sa kanilang powerful attacks. Habang sa Team Bolinao naman, kitang-kita natin ang kanilang teamwork sa loob ng court. Pero habang tumatagal, hindi na nagiging consistent ang kanilang play. But still, binigay pa rin nila ang best nila para lang makapagbigay ng good game para sa Team Alaminos. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Alaminos, player number 6, Edison Cañedo, having 7 attacks and 3 aces. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game again. So So, since nawala yung momentum nyo during the second set, paano nyo yun, what is the reason behind that? Kung bakit sa tingin mo nawala yung momentum ninyo?
Nawalan din lang po kasi siguro kami ng momentum sa second set kasi naging shaky yung pass, tas lahat-lahat. Tas nung third set naman, ginawa talaga namin yung best namin para mabalik yung pattern, yung depensa talaga, tas puntos.
Kita ko nga yung effort ninyo sa loob ng court when it comes to your blockings and also bumawi nga kayo sa receive ninyo. So, ano yung isa sa lesson yung natutunan mo for this game na dadalhin mo sa susunod na game ninyo?
Ang lesson na natutunan namin ng team sa larong ito is hindi dapat kami maglalaylo, dapat yung eagerness namin tas yung consistency dapat nandun pa din.
So, sino naman yung mga gusto mo pang pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Pinapasalamatan ko lang yung city namin kasi nandyan sila lagi para sumuporta sa amin. At saka yung family ko na nanonood ngayon sa bahay, thank you para sa support. And tas yung kay Mayor 5-0 na kami, baka naman. Charing.
So, thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, that ends here our 5 games in the women's division and 5 games in the men's division. See you again tomorrow dahil mas magiging exciting and intense pa ang ating games dito sa Western Conference. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Have a great night and Pangasinan ang galing.
And with that, we come to the end of another exciting day of volleyball here at the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, live from the Alamino City Sports Complex.
On behalf of our entire live coverage team, we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the teams who competed today. Thank you to every athlete, coach, official, and tournament staff for another day filled with passion, determination, sportsmanship, and unforgettable volleyball moments.
To all our viewers here at the venue and to everyone who joined us through our live stream from different parts of Pangasinan, maraming salamat for your continued support. Your enthusiasm and love for the sport inspires us to bring you the best coverage of every match.
Our sincerest gratitude also goes to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon V. Guico III, whose unwavering commitment to the development of sports continues to create opportunities for our local athletes to grow, compete, and proudly represent their municipalities through his leadership and vision.
This may be the end of today's matches, but the excitement doesn't stop here. We'll be back tomorrow for another full day of thrilling Governor's Cup volleyball action, bringing you more incredible rallies, powerful spikes, and unforgettable moments from the Western Conference. Once again, thank you for making us part of your day.
On behalf of our entire Governor's Cup live coverage team,
I am Maria Victoria Ferrer.
and Joseph Soriano, wishing you all a pleasant evening. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you again tomorrow here at the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Good night, everyone.